Good day, Lizanians! So, we are here to teach you on how to make...
Let's proceed.
So, let's proceed to our tutorial. So, bakit tayo makagawa ng chart? Siyempre, kailangan muna natin ng Excel. So, open the application, Excel.
Next is insert muna natin yung mga variables natin, which is yung grade levels and kung ilan yung estudyante.
So,
After natin i-insert yung data, i-click natin yung insert.
So, pagka-click natin sa insert, we can see naman doon sa recommended chart. So, makikita natin yung iba't ibang types ng chart. So, for example, we want to use a pie chart.
Next is choose what type of charts you want to use, and after nyo yun is tapos na siya.
Next naman natin is yung sa bar graph. So, ang ginawa kong data dito is yung favorite color ng mga students. Ang ginawa ko lang is nilagay ko yung mga data as well as the numbers, and then I go to insert, and then I click sa bar, yung nakikita nyo yung bar graph. Pinunin nyo yan, and then makikita nyo dyan yung different types of bar graphs na pwede nyo gamitin.
So, for the third example, we can see the line graph. So, i-insert ko yung expenses. So, makikita natin doon yung January and February na expenses ng isang family, and then click the insert, and makikita natin ulit din yung charts. So, pipiliin ko yung line graph, and then makikita natin doon yung pagtaas o pagbaba ng mga gastusin ng isang pamilya. Tutorial. Ayan.
And that is all for our tutorial. Bye!
Thank you, Lizanians!